Life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all. I'm sure you must have heard this famous quote by Helen Keller. Is this your motto in life too? If yes, well, then you might be an ESTP. Hello everybody. This is the personality type video series in the lockdown edition of career planning. And this is Sachin Padap from Goalpost.
Welcome to a fresh new episode of MBTI Personality Traits. In this episode, we are going to understand the ESTP personality type. Acronym ESTP stands for extrovert, sensing, thinking, perceiving. ESTP is also popularly known as the doer, the performer, the promoter. This is the personality type that represents approximately 13% of the population. ESTPs are outgoing, straight-shooting types, enthusiastic and excitable. They are blunt and straightforward. They place little importance on introspection or theory. They have an uncanny ability to perceive people's attitudes and motivations. They pick up on little cues which go completely unnoticed by most other types, such as facial expressions and stance. For ESTPs, rules and laws are seen as guidelines for behavior rather than mandates. ESTPs are good at noticing the specific details of any situation, sizing up a problem, and then quickly responding to it. They prove to be good troubleshooters. ESTPs are action-oriented doers, willing to plunge right into things and get their hands dirty. They are risk takers. Now, let's see the strengths of ESTPs. ESTPs enjoy being at the center of attention and are often the life of a party. They are realistic, curious, and pragmatic, tending to speak directly and clearly without worrying about hidden meanings or ulterior motives. They tend to like activities that are active and physical in nature and enjoy a certain amount of risk-taking. ESTPs are flexible and adaptable. They love working with variety of people and make quick connections with them. They notice and remember facts and details with high level of accuracy. They have a good memory. They are good public speakers with good sales and negotiating skills. They start projects with energy and excite others to participate. They use their hands and tools in an efficient and skillful manner. They find creative solutions for complex problems. Now, let's see the weaknesses of ESTPs. ESTPs lack future planning. They resist or ignore the rules, regulations, and procedures of their organization. They become too competitive and engaging in one-upmanship. They focus on immediate present and ignore long-term aspects. They speak before thinking carefully. They take on more projects or jump from project to project without finishing anything. They accept things at face value without looking beyond the obvious. They are too casual with authority and insensitive to co-workers. It is important for ESTPs to temper their spontaneous and sometimes reckless actions with some realistic planning, a sense of commitment to something worthwhile, and the use of their high energy towards a constructive end. They can benefit from learning to appreciate structure and follow through, and developing a set of standards to avoid pursuing experiences simply for the sake of excitement. The careers that the ESTPs might pursue are actor, performer, detective, musician, real estate broker, land developer, financial advisor, singer, politician, athlete. The famous personalities supposed to be ESTPs are Madonna, John Wayne, Kevin Spacey, Donald Trump, Winston Churchill, Mike Tyson, Kenny Rogers, Vanilla Ice, Meryl Streep.
Stay tuned to know more about the traits, strengths, weaknesses, career fits, and famous celebrities of different personality types. Till then, see you. Bye.